Renew driver's license online. Since 2017, Land Transportation Office or LTO in the Philippines has extended driver's license validity to 5 years. It is mandatory that every driver have to renew their license before it expired in order not to pay extra money for tickets and fines. Having an LTO renewal online, it not only simplifies the procedures but also reduces the processing time as fast as ever. At the moment, LTO branch at 5 districts has engaged in applying the online system at Quezon City, Pasig City, Central Office, Muntinlupa City, and Novaliches. Things to take note before having your driver's license processed with LTO Online Driver's License Renewal Portal. Online booking system can only be applied to schedule appointments for motor vehicle or MV renewal and driver's license renewal. There are limited slots available, so the system follows the basis as first come, first serve. Users are required to present printed appointment confirmation slips. Applicants must be responsible for the accuracy of information provided to the online portal. All clients who show up late at the LTO offices will lose their slots. Only the online scheduled appointment will be processed. If clients want to take other added MV or DL transaction, they have to take a regular QE and process as usual. All appointments scheduled on national or special holiday may be valid and processed on the next working day. Applicants who are intended to hack the online system or block appointment slots might be refrained from using it. To start online application, write LTO Online Renewal. Make sure to type or click www.lto.net.ph. So, this is the portal of the LTO. Read the LTO advisory and click OK. And then click the arrow down to proceed for the online booking. There are 7 steps to renew driver's license online. Step 1. Access to the LTO License Renewal online portal. The LTO online booking is available with 3 options. First is the driver's license renewal online appointment, the motor vehicle renewal online appointment, and check existing online appointment. Okay, to renew driver's license online, click the first one icon. Read the terms of use, your rule, and our mandate and rule. Click the consent box, input the CAPTCHA, and click continue and process to the next step. Read the confirmation and click OK button. Step 2. Fill in LTO driver's license renewal form. Complete the renewal by providing your personal information, including first and last name, DOD or date of birth, address, email address, phone number, and driver license number. Then click Next button. Step 3. Select suitable LTO branch. Choose your region and district on the box. Your full address will be displayed on the left boxes. Then click Next button to proceed. Step 4. Pick a time. Simply choose the available dates which are marked green on the portal. The green is available, red is fully booked, blue non-working holiday, orange for working holiday. Step 5. Success. A pop-up will appear to state that you've successfully booked the appointment. A confirmation link will be sent to your email. Attention! You have to confirm your booking within 3 days, otherwise it will be cancelled. Also, in the confirmation email, a list of documents to accomplish online LTO renewal requirement is provided. Completed driver's license application form, current or expired license card, the medical paper issued by an LTO licensed physician, valid ID. Step 6. The day at the LTO office. Show up at the LTO office on the date you've booked with all the required documents ready. At this phase, you will still have to complete all steps to get your driver license renewal done, including having medical clearance done. This phase normally takes about 10 minutes depending on the number of clients ahead of you. Handling over your expired license card, taking photo, paying LTO license renewal fee. If you are driving with an expired license, make sure to check out how much is involved, or just have more than enough when going to renew your license. Taking fingerprints, double-checking your personal information filed in the driving license application form. Now, what is the driver license renewal fee for non-professional license? Fees that will be paid before the expiry date: 585 pesos for license fee plus 67.63 computer fee, total of 652.62 pesos. Fee if it's past the date expiry. 1 day to 12 months expired has a 75 pesos penalty, a total of 723.63 pesos. Fee 12 months to 24 months expired has 150 pesos penalty, a total of 802.63 pesos. And if the expired license is more than 24 months, it would have a penalty of 225 pesos with a 100 peso application fee and another 67 pesos and 63 centavos for processing, a total of 1,045.26 pesos. Step 7. Claim your license card. Instead of heading home and waiting for a few weeks to get your card released, thanks to the online portal, you are able to claim your license card immediately after 5 minutes. Note that the speed of the processing with an online booking will probably vary depending on what LTO branch you head to. While the online appointment booking system is just introduced, the process is speedy, simple, efficient, and well guided by LTO staffs. Plus, with the in-office steps, taking only 30 to 40 minutes, enhancing their services by utilizing these online platforms to bring more convenience to the public in line with President Duterte's directive to bring more convenience to the public. Do you have questions? Please leave a message.
Thank you. Thank you. Tomo arigato.
Thank you.
No, they do.